Looking for superior automotive window tinting in Murfreesboro, Tennessee? At Tint Guy LLC, we provide expert window tinting solutions to enhance your ride's style, comfort, and protection. Our premium films block harmful UV rays, reduce glare, and keep your car cooler on hot Tennessee days. With professional installation, you'll enjoy a sleek look and long-lasting durability without bubbles or peeling. We offer a variety of tint shades to match your style while staying within Tennessee's legal tint limits. Improved privacy, enhanced interior protection, increased energy efficiency. Whether you drive a car, truck, or SUV, we've got the perfect tint for you. Join thousands of satisfied customers who trust Tint Guy LLC for their window tinting needs. Fast service, affordable pricing, guaranteed satisfaction. Call us today at 615-410-3805 or visit tintguylc.com to book your appointment. Tint Guy LLC, your #1 choice for automotive window tinting in Murfreesboro, Tennessee.